Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I have shared this company and this job lead on my channel before. I think it was months back, like in April, but they are hiring again. The company Fubo TV, I don't know if you've seen them. If you have a Fire Stick or a Fire TV, I have seen the app on my TV as one of the streaming services that you can download and watch. They are hiring someone to process their credit card chargebacks. Now, on Glassdoor, they only have 52 reviews. I always suggest you do your own research on any company before giving them your personal information, but they do have a 3.1 out of 5-star rating. I try to never share anything that doesn't get at least 3 stars. But of course, they are hiring a chargeback specialist. Now, this is remote for the United States. But they are basically looking for somebody to analyze, research, and process the incoming chargebacks through their billing system and billing platform. You're going to perform these credit card chargeback resolutions to ensure timely, accurate, and effective processing of any fraud or dispute claims. You're going to provide evidence when the merchants request for information before it becomes a chargeback. So, like if a subscriber of the Fubo TV disputes the charge with their credit card company and tries to do a chargeback, the credit card company might reach out and request additional information or documentation from Fubo TV, and it'll be your job to send that documentation to that credit card company. You'll provide in-depth research and investigation into those transactions of fraud and dispute claims, providing evidence documentation to support the investigation that the person actually signed up for the service and made the charge on their credit card. Of course, you'll escalate any issues to your supervisors. It does say this is not a customer-facing role, but you'll have to work internally with your teammates. So this is going to be a non-phone position. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They're looking for somebody with strong analytical skills, someone who is clerical and technical and has administrative experience, somebody who can communicate effectively, someone who can proficiently use Windows or Mac OS computer systems so you understand screenshot programs and Microsoft Office and how to use those types of things. Of course, you need the ability to speak, read, and write in English. Now, they are paying $19 an hour for this position, and of course, they offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.